Well, welcome to this wonderful day here at Surf and Turf Family Adventures. We got to do some more splitting today. Got to get wood ready for a barbecue happen this weekend, and then we got to get some more wood on the wood rack for the house. So, I'll take you along, show you what it looks like. Got a ton of splitting to do. My Uncle Steve's coming to help, and I got my daughter here. She's going to be helping move stuff around and get it all ready to go. So. Enjoy. So first thing we do when we're checking for the wood splitter is there's a spot right here. That right there. That's the hydraulic fluid. Then here. Next is gotta plug it in. Let's get this party started. Well, we got ourselves a course right now. Hey, so what we got right now is, gotta move that guy, Mr. 212. See? Number 212, I gotta get him in there without getting run over. So let's see how this. Well, thanks for watching this episode of Surf and Turf Family Adventures. Threw a little bit of a mishmash in there. I got to split some wood with my uncle and my daughter, moved the wood around, loaded up the back of my truck. I'll show you a shot of that. She loaded it up. Here we go. Boom. Boom, right there. Good job, Charlotte. Nice work. I had to move some cows around, weld some stuff. Give a shot to a sick animal. Anyways, just regular stuff, but I hope you enjoyed, what it takes to split wood. What a cool machine we get. It's so nice to work with family. Thanks again, Uncle Steve, for all your help, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.